Hello folks, today I'm going to show you how to make a how-to video. So you're going to need some various materials to make a quality how-to video. So what I recommend for your tech is a DSLR camera like this one, the T7i, or what people call it, just a Canon. Also, another necessity for your camera is to make sure you have a tripod like this one, so it stops the camera from swaying or moving if you have someone else recording it. The second most important item you're going to need is a table for all of your how-to needs. With a table, you're going to need a chair, like this one right here. Or you could stand, either one, but I recommend a chair so you don't get tired. Sadly, we don't have any type of lighting, so in the video I'll put in some examples of good lighting, ranging from about the prices of $50 to $1,000, depending on how technical you want to get with it. To set up your how-to video, you're going to need all your ingredients. For me, I'm doing just a little example for lemonade today. So we have all of our ingredients right here and materials. With your how-to video, I recommend switching up the angles so it keeps the audience interested in your video without having just a single boring angle. Example 1. The first angle that most people choose is just a basic angle, getting the actual how-to creator in the shot and also all of the materials that he uses, or she. So angle 2, you can choose to not have yourself included in the video. So all you can see is just maybe your hands, or maybe even all your arms, or you got like all your stuff in here. This is also an option, and usually it's used for showing what ingredients you have and what materials you're using in the video. Alright, so now that you're done with your lemonade and all your filming, we are going to go inside the house and do editing. For your first ingredient and slash material, so you're gonna need a pitcher of water. Any pitcher works. You could use a mason jar or you could use any just big cup to mix your lemonade in. For your second tool, you're gonna need a measuring cup. I'm just using a half cup because I like my powder, so yeah. And then for your third, you're gonna need cups. If you're running a lemonade stand, you're obviously gonna need more cups, but if you're just making simple lemonade, just have some plastic cups so you can drink it and taste your final product. And for your next part, one of the most essential parts is your powder, lemonade powder. For your last and final part you're gonna use is a spoon, fork, any big utensil, or whatever you want to use to mix your powder with. So for the assembly for your lemonade, you're gonna take your pitcher full of water, and then you're gonna obviously take the cap off. Second part is to measure out your lemonade powder. So depending on how much water you have in your pitcher, you're gonna wanna measure it by this. So if you have a pitcher about this size, you're gonna wanna use a half cup of lemonade powder. If you have something about half this size, you know, divide that part in half. So we're just gonna go. Is that a lot? Is that a lot of powder?
Just keep going.
Ready? You see that mixing? All right, so after you pour it in, you're gonna go. We're gonna speed up this part. Ooh. All right. So when you're mixing, you're gonna really wanna see that swirling in the pitcher. That's when you know you're getting the powder all swirled up. Wanna see it? Here. Let's get a nice angle of that. Oh, you see that vortex? Yeah, that's what you want right there. All right. All right. So, after you've done that, you're gonna wanna twist the cap back on. So I have this nifty pitcher where you can have either big pour mode or smaller pour mode. So I like smaller pour mode because of the size of cups I have. For the last step is pouring your lemonade. And you want to do this very carefully so you don't spill it. All right, now you're gonna want to taste your lemonade. Oh, he's already tasted it.
I'm thirsty.
You have a cold, man. All right.
Ew, that's nasty.
Bottoms up.
It's not lemonade, dude.
That's not bad.
That's disgusting.